All right, awesome. Welcome, everyone. That was a bit of a practice session about 5 minutes away from my house. It's pretty wide open. I found a perfect little parking lot that's just dirt, gravel. It's got water. It's got potholes. It has wonderful hairpins. You can draw a figure eight. And this is where I come to refine my skills. This is where I practice so that when I'm out on a trail, I've built those skills up. So remember to practice. You always need to sharpen those skills up. Don't just get on a bike, go out there without practicing. You need to practice, learn your bike, learn how to let the bike flow under you. It's the best thing you can do for yourself, and it'll give you so much more confidence to take on those trails, and you'll have the time of your life. But just make sure you're getting out there, you're practicing. You find a dirt parking lot like this, go for it. All right, so this is the course. Relatively uneven, can give you real world experience. There's a bunch of ruts, small ruts, not too big, but you can learn how the rear breaks loose. Also how it swings out when you give it power. Coming into a corner, how it behaves, especially if there's ruts and it's uneven. Oh, look at these ones. And there's mud. I'll go around that one next. So, just a bunch of fun. Second gear, don't need to do anything too crazy. Again, I'm gonna go wide, get my wheels in there. Now this is a big bike, right? A lot of people watch like enduro bikes or motocross bikes and think it's as easy to just stick your leg out there and turn, but it's not. If you stick your leg out there on this and it falls on you, that's your leg done. You're gonna go to the hospital. Nothing there. This is a 480-pound motorcycle. So in kilos, if you want to know kilos, divide that by 2.2. This is a heavy bike. Just build your skills. So right now I'm just going round and round and round in a circle. Do a figure eight next.